So we're in Arkansas. We're here because we've decided to do some volunteer as we're traveling around. A little bit about that later in the video. But while we're here and had some time off, we wanted to show you some things to do while in Paragould, Arkansas.
Yep, and our first stop on our tour is going to be Crowley Ridge State Park.
Let's show you around.
We are at an Arkansas State Park, and just so you know, Arkansas does not charge an entrance fee for their state parks.
Thank you, Arkansas.
Yes, we appreciate that. Also, this park was built back in 1933. There are a total of 16 historical buildings on site in some form or another. I tried to get the lady in the office to talk to me, but she said they weren't allowed to be on video, so y'all will have to learn from my memory, which is very poor.
But Crowley Ridge was named after a soldier from 1812. I believe it was Thomas Crowley, and he was one of the first to settle here.
Yeah, he settled the whole area here is what they said.
Right, and they preserved it to be able to show some of the historical buildings. CCC came in the 30s to help build it and have some of those buildings, so we'll be able to see those. But the first trail we're going to take here is Dancing Rabbit Trail, so let's go check it out.
And it's supposed to have a swinging bridge, which I thought would be really cool.
Yep.
Let's go.
Yep.
Did you push the lock button on the car? Bella does not like anything that looks like it might have grapes in it. Come on, come on. No, she is not going across the bridge, which means this will have to happen.
When I feel worn out, tired and alone, and every minute passes into the unknown, you bring me comfort like nobody can. I hear you whisper, life has only just begun. So I hold out hope to be stronger than forever when it's you and me together. 'Cause I never lost my faith in you. Every time when I felt you would pull me through. Yes, I never lost my faith in you. Oh, I never lost my faith in you. When I feel broken from every little wound, you remind me, oh, that we are not consumed. There will be moments when I'm drifting away into the darkness, but you will lead the way. So I hold out hope to be stronger than forever when it's you and me together. 'Cause I never lost my faith in you. Every time when I felt you would pull me through. Yes, I never lost my faith in you.
The resting place of the first settler of Crowley Ridge.
So this park was created between 1933 and 36 by the CCC as part of the program. Hey Danny, this is the CCC dance floor. So now you gotta dance with me. Come on.
I guess it's getting close to almost 100 years ago when the last depression was around. President Roosevelt developed the CCC, which was Civil Conservation Corps, and it took young men in to help build state parks, national parks, a lot of conservation areas. He chose to pay people through doing projects like this one here So we're in Paragould, Arkansas. We're sure enjoying the sights and sounds of the area. But we wanted to let you know the real reason we came here, because it really wasn't on our route. We wanted to tell you a little bit about that we've decided to do some volunteering. And if you think about it, when you're traveling an RV, you don't have as many opportunities as you do back in your hometown to do things or give back to the community.
We joined a group called Sojourners. Sojourners is a Church of Christ group, and you have to be retired.
Check.
You have to have your own rig.
Check.
And you go around to different places. You go to small churches, you go to children's homes, and just different places, and give back to the community, because when you're on the road, you just don't get as many opportunities as you would if at your home base.
So we do want to encourage you to find a way to volunteer. There are several ways you can. We know you can go to volunteer.gov if you want to do it for a national park. I'm sure you can check with state parks, local parks, or even your campground, or find an organization that does something similar to what the Sojourners do and allows you to travel and volunteer to do things
on the road.
On the road.
Yeah, which we think will be really cool, because we'll get to go to different areas of the country, and we'll kind of pick things that are on our route.
They do have hundreds of different places that we can choose to volunteer, so that's going to help us. We can find something on our route or make a new route and go into that place.
Right. Either way, we're going to have a good time with it, and we're meeting some of the most amazing people. Now it's time to get to work.
This is our clothing store for the children's home here in Paragould. It's where we sort and put clothes out for the kids to come up here and do their own shopping, to pick what they want, what color.
He's got the biggest hair in here.
Pull me through. Yes, I never lost my faith in you. Oh, I never lost my faith in you.
Until next time, God bless and many safe travels.
And go RV, America.